What's going on, Central Vapors? Today I've got the mini fit kit, but just fog. This is a $12.95. What's going on, Central Vapors? Today I've got the mini fit kit. You can get these off our website for $12.95. Now we're gonna open the box up, fill it up with some juice, show you how to use it, and see what kind of cloud this thing puts out. It does have a 370 milliamp hour battery. And it does have refillable pods, right? You can't change coils on these things. This is meant for salt nicks. And in the box, you're gonna get the user manual. Real nice and long. We're also going to get a charging cable, the mod itself, and the actual tank, right? Now, I was trying to figure out how to fill up this tank. It can be tricky until you actually figure it out. And what you're going to do is you're going to, on the bottom side, there's a little flap. You're going to put your nail in there, pump it out, and there's going to be two holes. You can use either hole, but what you really need to do is you want to put that tip in there. You want to get a firm seal around it, and then you want to give it a good squeeze. And as you do that, you're going to see the juice go down and fill up your tank. I feel like I filled up one side. Let's see if I can do the same thing on the other side. Get it to really fill up. There we go. That's how you make it work. Now, you're going to close this flap and insert into the mod. Now, you can only put it in one way, right? Because you got this piece of plastic protruding. You can't do that on the back side. And, whoa, snaps into place. This thing is tiny. It's really small. Almost fits in a lighter pocket. It does fit in a lighter pocket. All right, let's give it a try. Okay, so 3 clicks turns it on. You can have your power indication. So 3 is going to be like full power, full battery. And I feel like as your battery goes down, you're going to have less and less lights pop up. I'm going to give it a couple of dry hits before actually firing it. We've never primed this before, so. You got a couple of bubbles coming out, so it is priming. And even though it's not a clear tank, it's got the smoke finish, you can still see how much fluid's in here. And I like that. I like that about this little kit. The actual tank capacity is 1.5 milliliters, and I'll stop talking and show you what this thing can do in terms of putting out a cloud or small cloud. I've yet to find out. Not bad. Right off the bat, I noticed that airflow is a little restricted. You're not gonna get those like really big hits because you feel like it's got a little carb, small choke type thing where you go in and feel that airflow restriction, but it does hit pretty well, especially if you're trying to like conceal vape, right? If you're like somewhere where you can't really vape and you're trying to take those ghost rips. If you're ghost vaping, this thing's for you. Especially with salt nick, you can get a good buzz doing that. Pretty good cloud. Now, in terms of size, how does this compare to the Smock Myco and the Vape Nano Kit? Here, we're just gonna go one by one because I only have 2 hands. That's the Smock Myco, and this is the Mini Fit. Right, Mini Fit's a lot smaller. It's almost half the size of the Myco, and same thing off the Vape Drag. So if you're looking for something you can put in your lighter pocket that you can vape salt nick out of and get that concealed vape, this is for you. The Mini Fit by Just Vape. So if you're looking for something small that you can fit in your lighter pocket, check out the Mini Fit by Just Fog. It is $12.95. You can find them on our website. Once again, this is meant for salt nick. And yeah, it's a really nifty small mod pod system. Good output, good cloud output. Well, that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.